Hey guys, after 2 days of spring-like temperatures, and I've got them again today in the 60s, I'm going to take advantage of it and do the oil changes on the engines. It's given this oil more than enough time to turn from sludge over the winter to free-flowing oil. So I'm going to show you how we do that today. And there we've got our parts for the oil change. Yamaha oil, Yamaha filters. So I'm going to start out, we got our West Marine oil change pump. And that is piped into the dipstick, and we're just going to give that a little plunge and get her going. Okay, so while that fills up, watch it down here, I'm going to go change the filter. So Yamaha has this brilliant filter placement that sticks up, and they have a little cup here to catch any oil that leaks out. So we're going to get in here and just loosen this. Most of these are just hand tight. Spin that off. So here's our new filter. Yamaha parts. Always put the date on there that the filter was changed. And we're going to take our finger, grab a little oil out of the pan, give that a little bit on there, screw that on. Pretty much go hand tight on these things. That's it. Oil filter changed. Okay guys, if you can see here, oil is full. I'm going to take it out of here. We've already done the filter, and now we're just going to add it from the top. Okay guys, we're set up to add new oil. One of the greatest things about Yamahas is they have the labeling right here. So here's our oil, 4.7 US quarts. And here we go. We've got 5 quarts of oil ready to go. And guys, that's it. Really simple. Oil change on a Yamaha outboard. First one's done. Second one here is I'm pulling the oil out. We'll have that done in a few minutes, and then it's one more project. We've got 100 hours out of this oil till the next oil change. Just follow your Yamaha service schedule, and these things will run forever. See you next time. Thanks for watching.